Have you ever encountered the problem of the missing video record button when you open up your snipping tool in Windows 11? Well, Windows 11 comes pre-installed with a screen recorder app called Snipping Tool, and some users have faced this problem. So in today's video, I will show you how to fix this problem. Hey, what's up everyone? I'm Steph, and in this channel, I teach you quick daily tech tips that make your life a little easier. Click on the Windows Start button and type in WinVer to see the latest Windows version installed on your computer. As of today, the latest OS build is 226314249. If you have an earlier version, this might be the problem why you're not seeing the video record button on your snipping tool. Don't worry, click on the Windows logo and go to Settings. On your left column, scroll down until you see Windows Update. Make sure the option here under Get the latest updates as soon as they are available is on. Then, click on Check for updates. If there are new updates, download and install them. Once you have successfully downloaded and installed the latest Windows updates, your PC will restart. Go back to your snipping tool and you should see the video recorder icon appear here. I hope today's video was easy to understand, and if you like more such videos, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Until the next video, I'm Steph, take care and bye bye.